Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. You see here, this car here, this is a symptom, like you try to go back, it doesn't want to go back. Okay. And also in the cluster here, I don't see if it has it or not. I don't see the reverse, neutral or park. But you see here, it doesn't go away. If I try to turn the key on, ignition on, engine not start, you see it go back. So we have a computer control module in this place here. When you see I push the brake, without pushing the brake nothing go, but if I push the brake it's go out. When sometimes it go back correctly. If you start it and you put it, now it's good, and sometimes it have a problem. Please advise that to change the module. Does it need a programming? This one, the whole unit is one. It doesn't need a programming. Just be sure that to take it out from here slowly, and when you take it out, be sure that to put it back correctly, and it doesn't need programming. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and this is Mercedes-Benz C320 2003. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Muhammad Harun Idris.